Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Whop community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you hide or pause your Whop community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to pause or hide your Whop community anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe sometimes your communities aren't up to your standards. So you want to go ahead and pause it or hide it while you add more courses or benefits. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Whop account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Whop account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and pause one of your Whops, you're going to click here on the left dashboard. It looks like a rocket ship. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your Whops right here. So you want to go ahead and search for the one that you want to pause. So for example, I just have this one right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and click on these three dots. Once you do that, you want to click on hide. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this warning. It's going to make your Whop private to everyone. And that's going to be via your direct link or in the Discover Marketplace with Whop. If you're okay with that, click on hide. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now, you can't actually see that this is private or hidden, but what you can do is you click on these three dots, and if it says unhide right here, that means that your group in Whop is now private and hidden. It's not going to show up in the search. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to private or hide your Whop community, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.